Hello, this is the second part of our lesson after our vocabulary sheet. So today we're going to classify angles. We're not going to name them necessarily, but we're going to say what type of angle that we're dealing with. And there's 4 different types of angles we're going to name. First of all, I want to talk about this little symbol. This is a degree symbol, and we've seen degrees before when we talk about temperature, but when we talk about degrees in geometry, it is the opening of the angle, and we measure the opening with a tool called a protractor. And in our next lesson, we're going to use the protractor to measure the degrees. So we're going to start with this particular angle. It's a very special angle, and I want you to place a little box in the corner. This is known as a right angle, and it measures exactly 90 degrees. So the next angle, we're going to notice that this opening is less than 90 degrees. It's smaller. So this would be considered an acute angle. And this is an A. So it's an angle that is less than 90 degrees. The next angle we see has an opening that went past 90 degrees. And what I'm drawing right now is called an arc. And we many times show this in our angle to kind of help us visualize the fact that this opening is larger. And in this case, this is an obtuse angle because it's more than 90 degrees. And then finally, our last angle, I want you to draw this arc that goes from one end of the line to the next. And this was a vertex to kind of symbolize that this is an angle that is opened up fully. And we call this a straight angle because it looks just like a straight line. So a straight angle. And there would be 180 degrees. A full circle would have 360 degrees, and you may have heard that before. So what I'd like you to do now is to classify the following 6 angles. When we say classify, it means that you're going to use one of these classifications, right, acute, obtuse, or straight, based on what you see the opening as. Please also draw arcs or the right angle symbol if you believe it's a right angle, and we will see you next lesson.